Okay, we're gonna make this recipe, basil pesto. It's really simple. This is 2 cups of basil, fresh basil from my garden, packed. So there's like two cups that I packed in here. Let's see if we can get it in here. 2 cups. Smells so good. They said you can use 1 cup basil and 1 cup spinach, but I get free basil from my garden. It's in a big pot and it grows like a weed. And then you add nuts. They said pine nuts, but regular walnuts is good. 1/2 cup. Nope, 1/3 cup nuts. And then this is the Power Chef. If you have a one that one that's electric, you can use that. We go camping a lot, so we don't necessarily want something that we need to plug in. We don't like something that's on the counter. So this one is perfect. One full of this is like 100 chops or something like that. So this is basil leaves and walnuts, and then you add garlic. So if you use fresh garlic, you use 3 cloves. If you use minced, you use 1 tablespoon. Oh, I have minced right now, so we're doing that. And then you add in the 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Mine is Kraft. It was on sale. Whatever is on sale is my favorite. Okay, and then you chop that together. And then it says to add in the olive oil. The thing that's good is it has a little thing where you can put in the olive oil a little at a time, but it works just fine if you put it all in at one time. Trust me, this is one of my favorite recipes. It's so easy to just make a quick snack. You can just make it like a part of the recipe. You don't have to use the whole recipe. See how fast it's going? And then you can use a spatula to make sure the sides are getting cut up. So the whole thing is... It already looks so good. The blades on this are like curved so that it picks it up and chops it and shoves it down. That makes sense. So, as I said, I have the plants in my garden. So, it's really easy to just run outside. And then it says you can use black pepper or salt, more to taste than anything. Doesn't that look so good? So you use some pepper and some salt. Okay, my mouth is watering because it wants to eat some of this already. You know when it doesn't work? It's always user error for me. Look at that. It's really chopping it really easily. Probably not better on its side, but... Okay, let's get it out and put it in a bowl. Of course, we have a Tupperware bowl it can go into. Of course. Nice Tupperware bowl. There we go. It's done. All chopped up. If we're at the beach camping, we can still make basil pesto. Doesn't that look really good? It only took a few minutes, took like 5 minutes to make it. Probably less if I wasn't filming it, but okay, it is ready. It smells so yummy. So, okay, that is the basil pesto. Can't wait to try it. Thanks for watching.